You already have everything you need to make a killing with SociJam and Facebook. But if you want your online business to make an extra 6 figures without the hassles, then keep reading. We're giving you the opportunity to get exclusive access to the official resellers rights SociJam and the entire funnel. So you can sell this as your own and keep 100% of the profit starting today. Here's what you'll be getting: tested and proven sales copy. You know it sells well. You are proof of that, ready to sell immediately. You'll be able to profit right away. No complicated setup. You just need a link. We'll show you how. High-quality product in hot niche. This viral product will be yours to sell anytime. Sell unlimited copies 1, 2, 5 years from now. You'll have the hottest social media software. No support or development fees. We'll manage all of the expensive, tricky stuff. Don't forget. Facebook is the biggest social media platform online with over 1 billion members. You'll have access to a high-end software service without any development or maintenance costs. Ad blindness is something that plagues online marketers. You will have their solution. SociJam is a great way for newbies to get started, in many cases earning their first online income. The SociJam software and system is the first ever of its kind. It's your turn to profit from all the hard work we've done for you. Sell SociJam and the entire funnel and keep 100% profits. Even better, you can try it today with absolutely no risk whatsoever. You can try the reseller license 100% risk-free. I'm so confident in the money-making ability of this license that I don't mind taking on all the risk myself. You can try this out for 30 full days. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with your agency license, you can simply ask for a refund. Your investment is covered by my 30-day money-back guarantee.